want to be a real girl. So anyways, you guys are probably wondering, what is a real girl? Well, in this video, to the person you want to say, like, hey, I'm a girl. Go up to someone and say, hi, my name is, insert name here if they don't know your name, and I am a girl. Please use these preferred pronouns, she, her, or whatever other ones you like, and that's it. You are a girl, and you are completely valid. I know this is very surprising, but if you identify as a girl, then you are one. It doesn't matter what's here or here. You are still a girl because you identify with that. Just because you were born a different sex than a female, it does not mean you are not a girl. And if people say that you're invalid, say, no, I'm a girl. It doesn't matter what I'm here or here, it's what's up here. If you don't identify as a girl, then you are not a girl. And it's simple as that. And it's okay if you don't identify as a girl, or if you don't identify as a boy, or you don't identify with any gender. That is cool, and you are completely valid. And I hope this video helped you guys for realizing what makes a real girl. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.